Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located here in Warren, Michigan. And I'm here to talk to you today about Chapter 12 bankruptcy. Chapter 12 bankruptcy is a very specific chapter oriented mainly for family farmers and fishermen. And the way that you determine if you're a family farmer or a fisherman under the code is if most of your income comes from one of those sources and most of your debts are related to those sources. If that's the case, then we can put together a Chapter 12 bankruptcy case for you that might really help you out. Some of the things that we can do in Chapter 12 bankruptcy that might not be available to you in other chapters include things like resetting the home mortgage on your primary residence. Let's just say that you have your primary residence, you owe more on the house than the house is worth. A Chapter 12 bankruptcy is the only chapter where we can change the value of the mortgage down to the value of the house. We can change the interest rate. We can change the terms of the mortgage. We can extend the amount of time you have to pay it. If you want to look into any of those things and you might qualify for Chapter 12 bankruptcy, that might be an option for you. Another thing that we can do in Chapter 12 bankruptcy that might not be available in some of the other chapters includes where, because so many family farmers will, for example, have once a year a harvest and that the bulk of their funds come in during that period, sometimes we can reset it where the payments in the Chapter 12 case, rather than having to be every month or every quarter like they would be in some of the other chapters, what we could do is set it where you make your entire payment on your debts once a year when the harvest comes in.